Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. In this video, we'll be exploring the world of low-maintenance gardening, focusing on 6 incredible North American native plants. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these hardy plants are sure to thrive with minimal effort, giving you more time to relax and enjoy the beauty you've cultivated. So, let's grab our gardening gloves and discover the wonders of these resilient plants. Our journey begins with the captivating lavender, a plant known for its intoxicating fragrance and beautiful purple blooms. Native to the Mediterranean region, lavender has found a welcome home in North American gardens, gracing us with its elegance and resilience. One of lavender's most remarkable qualities is its drought tolerance. Its silvery green foliage and deep-rooted system allow it to thrive in arid conditions, making it a perfect choice for water-wise gardeners. But lavender's allure doesn't stop there. This aromatic herb is a magnet for pollinators, attracting buzzing bees and delicate butterflies to your garden, enhancing its biodiversity and beauty. Next, we meet the vibrant coneflower, a true showstopper with its daisy-like blooms that erupt in a symphony of colors, from cheerful yellows and radiant pinks to fiery oranges and deep reds. Native to North America, coneflowers are perfectly adapted to our diverse climates and soil types. These hardy perennials are incredibly low maintenance, tolerating a wide range of conditions, from full sun to partial shade and various soil types. Whether your garden boasts rich loam or sandy soil, coneflowers will happily make themselves at home. Their resilience extends beyond soil tolerance. They are also relatively pest-free and disease-resistant, making them a joy to grow. Our botanical exploration takes us now to yarrow, a plant steeped in history and renowned for its resilience. With its delicate fern-like foliage and clusters of tiny flowers that bloom in a spectrum of colors, yarrow adds a touch of wild beauty to any garden. Yarrow's ability to withstand dry conditions is truly remarkable. Its deep roots and drought-tolerant nature make it an ideal choice for gardens with low rainfall or those prone to periods of dryness. But yarrow's virtues extend beyond its ornamental value. For centuries, this remarkable plant has been used in traditional medicine for its healing properties. Its leaves and flowers contain compounds known for their anti-inflammatory and wound-healing abilities. Let's now turn our attention to the cheerful black-eyed Susan, a North American native that brightens gardens with its vibrant golden yellow blooms. These cheerful flowers are not only a feast for the eyes, but also incredibly easy to grow. They thrive in full sun and are quite adaptable to different soil types, though they prefer well-drained soil. One of the most appealing aspects of black-eyed Susans is their incredibly long blooming period. From early summer to late fall, these cheerful flowers grace gardens with their sunny disposition, providing a much-needed splash of color as the days grow shorter. And as if their beauty and ease of care weren't enough, black-eyed Susans are also relatively pest-free and disease-resistant. Our next stop takes us to the world of succulents, where we encounter sedum, a group of plants known for their fleshy leaves and ability to thrive in arid conditions. Sedums are incredibly versatile and come in a wide array of shapes, sizes, and colors. From ground-hugging varieties that form a carpet of succulent foliage, to taller varieties with upright stems adorned with clusters of star-shaped flowers, there's a sedum for every garden style. One of the most remarkable features of sedums is their minimal water requirements. Their thick, fleshy leaves act as water reservoirs, allowing them to withstand prolonged periods of drought. This makes them an ideal choice for rock gardens, xeriscaping, or simply for gardeners looking for low-maintenance plants that can handle a bit of neglect. Our final stop on this journey through low-maintenance gardening brings us to switchgrass, a graceful ornamental grass that adds movement and texture to the landscape. Native to North America, switchgrass is highly adaptable to various growing conditions, tolerating a wide range of soil types and moisture levels. It thrives in full sun, but can also handle partial shade. One of the most appealing aspects of switchgrass is its ornamental value. Its slender, upright foliage adds a touch of elegance and movement to the garden, swaying gracefully in the breeze. In the fall, its foliage transforms into shades of golden yellow, providing stunning autumn color. Beyond its beauty, switchgrass also provides valuable ecological benefits. It provides habitat and food for various wildlife, including birds and small mammals. And so we conclude our exploration of these 6 remarkable plants, each uniquely adapted to thrive in the North American landscape. From the fragrant lavender fields to the swaying switchgrass meadows, these resilient species remind us of nature's remarkable ability to flourish, even in the most challenging conditions. As you embark on your own gardening adventures, remember that even the smallest patch of earth can become a haven for biodiversity, a sanctuary for both plants and wildlife. Until next time, may your gardens be filled with the joys of nature's bounty.